Are you ready to step out of the home bias mindset? It is the tendency that keeps you stuck in your comfort zone and limits your ability to diversify your assets. If you're ready to take the next step, diversify your portfolio and achieve your financial goals, let's get started. So, what exactly is asset diversification? What does it really mean? Are we diversifying our investments into various assets properly? Before answering this question, let us study about the two major assets that are available to invest. One is paper asset and another one is real asset. Let us delve into it now. Paper asset is nothing but the securities like preference shares, equity shares and debentures of a company. Real asset means the business of a company. If you cannot manage a business by organizing a team, then don't think of investing in real asset. On the other hand, you can easily choose paper asset to invest your cash. Here too, if you invest in the paper assets of various companies whose business products are same, then you will fail because it cannot be considered as asset diversification. True asset diversification means you should choose to invest in the paper assets of various companies whose business products should be different, namely oil, energy, pharmaceutical, automobile, steel, FMCG, textile, and real estate. I think you now understand that the key to financial freedom is strategic diversification. So, master the techniques of true asset diversification to become a successful investor.